Hey, what's up everyone? We're going to shift over things to Dogecoin right now. We're going to take a look at possible signs of a breakout because a lot of things are happening on the daily time frame. So let's get to it. The current price for Dogecoin right now is 0.15716, and we can see that the current price point is pressing up against our 61% of our Fibonacci at 0.15936. Now, this area has capped multiple attempts in the past, but the current setup does show signs of a breakout that could possibly be in play in the next 24 to 72 hours. Now, as we take a look at some of our indicators, the RSI here is around 47%. Now, this does show some neutral territories in terms of our RSI. This does tell us that the bears aren't in control, but bulls haven't taken over quite yet. Now, the RSI itself looks like it's flattening here, so possible signs of a bullish recovery could be in play. As we take a look and shift things over to our MACD indicator, the MACD indicator is growing stronger here. After those 3 sessions, we can see that these histograms are getting bigger in size, but be a little cautious as we can see our K and our D line are below 0, and this basically shows us or tells us that it's in a bear market still, as we don't see a confirmation of a breakout towards our moving averages. Again, we are still in a bearish territory in terms of the daily time frame here for Dogecoin. Now, as we take a look at some of our Bollinger Bands are coming in narrow, kind of squeezing a little bit, and typically this does show us some low volatility, and we do know as the Bollinger Bands coming together in a possible Bollinger Band squeeze, it anticipates a bigger move coming. So lower volatility is going to come hand in hand a breakout afterwards. So we may possibly see consolidation where price moves sideways before an immediate breakout towards the upside or downside. The number one thing that we do need to see here for a possible breakout is the bulls do need to reclaim or 61% of our Fibonacci, which is 0.159. So if we can see the bulls attempt to break through this resistance and close above it, ideally that breakout's going to occur in the uptrend. We do need confirmation here for strong bullish candles in order to turn this resistance into support. And this is kind of where we saw that failed breakout here on April 12th. We do see kind of that attempt breaking through that 61%, attempting to that 20 moving average, but fell shortly after. So essentially we do need to see that break above our 61%, use 61% as a good cushion for an area of support, and then continue on. As we know historically, that price point, that 61% of our Fibonacci, has been a good area of support. If we kind of date back here at the mid-March area all the way to the early April, we have been using this price point as a good area of support. So that has already been tested. The only thing here we do need to see is the bulls breaking through this resistance line. Now, if we do see the 61 or that 15.9 price point fail and we do see that rejection once again, we may see price fall down to that 0.153 from our previous candlesticks here going back to that April 11th. And we do possibly see, if we actually see that first line of support, it's very narrow. It's so close to the current price right now. So possible signs, if the bulls are unable to defend this area, the bears are aggressive here, we may see possible signs coming even closer down to that 14.8 as that second line of support and that second line of defense. But that's kind of my video here for Dogecoin. If you do find this video helpful and it helped you break down the daily time frame, definitely like that button, drop your target for Doge in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.